Hello everybody! How are you doing today? I have a Boxycharm. So this is like the second or third Boxycharm that I've gotten. This is the April Boxycharm, so I'm probably a little bit late posting this, but forget about it. I'm just doing it anyways. Let's see here. This is what the inside of the box looks like. I haven't used any of these darn things yet, so let's just get to it. So this is a set of Luxie brushes, and I got a Luxie brush a long time ago. It's this one. This is my favorite eyeshadow brush. This is a blending brush, and this is a Luxie 205 tapered blending brush. I stinking love this thing, and I got it, I think, in an Ipsy bag forever ago. I haven't got my Ipsy bag in a long time. I just stopped getting it because it was all repetitious and I wasn't happy with any of it. So yeah, there is a Luxie large shader brush, the 209, the 245 small shader brush, 512 small contouring brush. So let's see what these look like. I am excited to have some more Luxie brushes. I really do like them. Ooh, and these are the Summer Days 3-piece set. Small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones. Small shader brush is perfect to pat on your eyeshadow and glitter. And the Luxie 209 large shader brush is to pat on and blend out any eye looks. So, ooh, this should be a slightly larger shader brush than the other blending brush that I have. Is this a blending brush or a shader brush? Blending brush. I have the memory of like a goldfish. I said it 2 seconds ago and I forgot already. So there is this one. Feels about the same quality. This one is a flat one. And then this one. Yeah, I kind of wish there was another blending brush in there. Come on, Luxie. These are really beautiful. They like fade out at the bottom. So I will add them to my brush collection. Very happily, oh, there's like a stray hair. Very happily will add these to my brush collection. I love Luxie brushes. Next up, I see this Steve Laurent. What is this? It says Champagne Lip Gloss. Here we go. One more time. Everybody's feeling fine. Yeah, I should not sing. So the color I'm actually wearing is the Shannon Rose, her like matte lip thing in Cake. This is awesome. I forget the company that you order it through, but if you go to like her YouTube page, she'll have a link for it. But it is this color. It is a beautiful color. This is honestly probably my favorite matte lip I have ever used, tried, owned. It just makes your lips feel beautiful, not dried out or gross in any way. Okay, Steve Laurent Champagne Lip Gloss. I have never heard of this brand. Let's see. Ooh, it smells like vanilla pastry. Added a little something there. Well, so far I like the feeling of it. It has like a shimmer in it, like a faint shimmer you can see. I think this is going to be a great color, and obviously it looks like it's a nice complement to the Shannon Rose Cake color that I've been really liking. So that is fun. Let's see how much they say it is. So the 3 Luxie brushes, it says, are $28 MSRP, and the Steve Laurent lip gloss says it is a $22 lip gloss. Jeez. Next I see this Beauty For Real. It looks like a jet black liquid eyeliner. So let's go ahead, see if we can get into this without destroying my nails. And the card says that this is a $16 24/7 liquid eyeliner. One steady sweep. Precision brush. I like that it sounds like it's a brush tip. I love the Physicians Formula Eye Booster. It's got like a little paintbrush basically at the end of it. I love that style of applicator. So if this has that applicator, we might be best friends. It is a felt tip eyeliner. Who are they kidding? So here is the felt tip eyeliner. That is not a brush. That is jet black though. Ugh, that is sloppy as all get out, but hey now. That is very black. And it looks like it's drying like sort of a natural matte finish. Not completely matte, like very faint sheen, but not what I would describe as glossy at all, so hey now. Next we have this little beauty here. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. All natural, vegan, cruelty-free. Highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. This is a $27 glow powder. And mine is in the color Summer Haze. Throw that little box out. I'm afraid to get this all over me. Man, they make this thing really hard to get into. And then it like splattered out everywhere. Great. I don't think you can see it. Probably not. It just looks like I'm doing weird little hand puppets. I don't think you can. Well, there's that. It's messy, it's difficult to get into, and I don't know that there's that much that's coming off of it. The last thing that is in here was the Pure Festival 12 Pigment Palette, and this looks very colorful. They do have some non-extreme colors in here, but then there's some fun ones. Ugh. Nope, not opening. Oh, there's a little packet in here too. What is this? Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. So they give you a little awkward packet of eyeshadow primer. It's awkward because it's so big. You're not going to be able to use it for one application, but is it going to dry out because it's now open? I don't know who thought that one up. It says that this Pure Festival palette is $36, and I have not yet opened it. Oh my goodness. Wow. I just poked something. I went to a friend's birthday party in January. She had like a Great Gatsby themed birthday party. I posted a picture of it on Instagram. Just like I bought a flapper dress on Amazon and it was fun, but I needed something really intensely glittery. I don't know why I'm stumbling in my words today. I needed something really intensely glittery, and this 24 karat eyeshadow would have been just the thing. But look at that hot pink and that purple. Whew. There's a couple matte shades down here. They're just like, let's give you epic, all night, and hidden desert, and that should be fine. The one that calls to be the most in here is this hidden desert, this like rusty orange color. That is really beautiful. I feel like this 24 karat magic is just, ooh, look at that. Glitter City. Fireworks. Hello. Whoa. Okay, and then let's do Gypsy and Wild Child, because everyone's probably wondering about those. That purple. Whoa, it's almost got like an opalescence to it. So there is Gypsy, Fireworks, 24 Carats, and Wild Child. Look at those fun colors. Oh my goodness. I'll have to find some kind of way to use these. That was it for my Boxycharm. I am really enjoying Boxycharm. They send a whole bunch of full-size, really nice products. In my March box, they sent me a full-size Better Than Sex mascara, which I actually really enjoy. The last month they also, I think, sent me the wrong, I think it was in the Luxe box in March, which was amazing. They sent me the wrong colored, or the wrong shade range. They sent me like a dark to really deep contouring palette, so I gave that to my friend Brittany so she could enjoy that, because that is more suited for her skin tone. And so they gave me some credits to use in the charm room, but all the stuff that's in the charm room is always gone, so I'll have to try to use some of my charm points for that. But otherwise, Boxycharm has been a complete hit. I don't get any other boxes right now, just Boxycharm. And I don't know how much luck I'll get Boxycharm, because I just have an absurd amount of makeup that needs to get used more than it does right now. So yeah, it's just been kind of fun getting another box back again, and I highly recommend the Boxycharm if you're considering any kind of box. It's like $20 a month. The Luxe box is an additional amount of money, but it's totally worth it. It's this wonderful splurgy box that comes every quarter, so you get it 4 times a year, and it is amazing. So worth the $45 or $50 or whatever it ends up being. Alright guys, so that was it for this video. I hope you are all doing so well. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I will have that link down below. If you follow me, come say hi over there. It'll encourage me to probably post more than I should. If you want to see Biscuit or Buster, let me know that too. And something that is going on right now, there's 2 things. One is I just recently filmed a video this same day, but it's getting posted before this video, about National Infertility Awareness Week, which when you see this video, it will have passed. The video is still relevant. It may have been National Infertility Awareness Week then, but it is a topic that we need to be discussing all of the time. So if you want to know more about my journey and kind of what's been going on off camera, behind the scenes, in real life for me, go and check that video out, show it some love, have the open conversations with people in your life, and yeah, let's just get the topic out there. The second thing that I have going on is I should have a garden tour, the very first one, posted when you're seeing this video over on my vlog channel. So I have 2 channels. There's this one, The Blushed Beauty, and there's also The Blushed Vlog. I haven't shown much love to either of these channels, but particularly The Blushed Vlog, in a while, and I figured it would be a great way to show it a little bit of love. This summer, I am on my 3rd year of having a really large garden in my backyard. So I'm going to try to do some weekly garden updates, just some tours out there so you can see what's growing on in my backyard. So if you want to check that out, go head over to The Blush Vlog and you can see that video of my very first garden tour and how it's all looking. And my plants are really small right now, but I grew them all from seed except for 1 tomato plant, but I have like 20 tomato plants that I grew from seed. But there was one that was at Aldi one day that was just like, Melissa, buy me please. And I have a problem because if the plants look at me and they're like, buy me please, I have to buy them. So I bought 1 tomato plant and that is currently in the garden right now. It'll probably put out the first tomatoes. It's got little blooms on it already. And then I bought 2 strawberry plants to add to my 3 strawberry plants that survived the winter. I didn't eat any strawberries from it last year, but it did put out strawberries and the creatures outside ate it. And then I also bought a tiny little sage plant. But when I'm telling you I have a ton of plants and flowers that I all started from seed, it is legit. So there are tomatoes and eggplants and squash and loofah plants. You ever use those loofahs in the shower? They grow on a plant. And peanuts and corn and sunflowers, and I have all of these things, all of them that I started from seed. So if I bought 1 lonely little tomato plant at Aldi, no biggie, and if I bought, you know, an herb, a sage, and an additional 2 strawberry plants, that is nothing compared to what I've actually grown in the yard. So I want to share with you guys how my garden is looking. It's something that brings me a lot of joy in my life, so why not share that with you guys? So yeah, go check that out if you're interested. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day as always, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!